Hello and welcome to a new lesson. We will learn together how to download files from a remote host using the SFTP. First, let's go to the temp directory on the local machine. So I will type cd command space /tmp and press enter. Now I am in the temp directory and I will download some files from the remote host to the temp directory. Now let's connect to the remote host using the SFTP. So I will type SFTP space user mtorc at 192.168.8.54 and press enter. Now type the password for user mtorc and press enter. As you see, I am connected to the remote host. So let's go to dir1 directory on remote host. I will type cd dir1 and enter. Now I am in dir1 directory. Okay, let's list files which inside the dir1, and to list files type the ls command, then press enter. As you see, there are 3 files inside the dir1 directory, and I will download file1.txt to the local machine. To download file1.txt, type the mget command, then take a space and type the file name, which is file1.txt. So the mget file1.txt will download file1.txt to the local machine. To start downloading process, press enter. As you see now, the system is fetching the file1.txt. Now the mget command has successfully downloaded file1.txt to the local machine. Let's verify that by running the command lls and press enter. As you see, the file1.txt is there. And by that we have seen how to download a file from the remote host using the SFTP. So let us see how can we download multiple files from the remote host using the SFTP. Let us say that I want to download all text files from dir1 directory. So I will type the mget command and take a space, then I will type star.txt, and the star here means that all files that have the extension txt will be downloaded using the mget command. Let's press enter to start downloading the files. Sorry, I typed the mget command wrong. It should be mget. Now press enter. Sorry, I typed the command wrong again. It should be mget space star.txt. Now press enter. As you see, the downloading process has started, and it may take some time depending on the size of all files. Okay, now as you see, the downloading process has been finished and we get to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.